Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a subpage of a subpage on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Wix allows you to create subpages, also known as nested pages, to organize your website content under a hierarchy of menus. However, Wix currently does not support creating a subpage directly through its interface. The maximum structure Wix allows in its navigation is 2 levels deep, which is going to be the main page and the subpage. But of course, we can still have a smart workaround for that. Don't worry, I got you. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the website that you are working with. Now, on the Wix editor, I want you to navigate to the menus and pages. That's going to be on the left toolbar. You see that? Now, okay, I'm gonna delete this one for now to make it a little bit easier. Say for example, this is gonna be the main page. All right, I'm gonna rename this one as the subpage. Okay. Now, if I wanted to be this one to be the subpage, I'm gonna rename this as subpage of, click on done. All I have to do is hover your mouse here and connect that to the subpage. Let me try to do that again. I'm gonna right click and drag it here. You see that? When I drag it to the subpage, it's nested right on the subpage itself. It's a very straightforward process that when you do it, it creates a multi-tiered navigation experience for your site visitors, especially if your site contains a lot of information. Using subpages of a subpage helps to categorize content effectively, and this structure makes it easier for users to navigate through different sections without overwhelming them with too many links at once. For example, an e-commerce site may have a main category for clothing with subcategories for men and women, and the further subcategories are going to be like for shirts, pants, and etc. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.